Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you are watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in this particular video under Sophos XDR series, today I am going to demonstrate how to activate or renew your Sophos license. So guys, as you could see, when you log in into your Sophos console, all your licensing details can be found under your user profile, and then when you navigate to licensing, all your license will be visible here, right? So whatever license products you have, all the license uses, or whether it's a paid trial version, okay, how many license count you have, start date and end date, as well as the license number, everything is visible here. And whenever that particular product approach to the end of expiry, okay, then you will start seeing this type of warning like license expiring. So let's take an example. You are licensed for these 4 products, right? Fish thread, drive encryption, intercept X, mobile advance, and if any of the products is getting expired, then you will see the license expiring warning, where you don't have to panic. It's just for your information purpose, so that you can initiate the procedure to renew your license. Second, when your license is about to, or let's say expired, right? So after expiry of any of the product license, you will see this type of warning message. And when your all product license are expired, okay, you will see this red color warning, which means your product is not functional and you have to renew the license. Now, to renew the license, what exactly you have to do? Let's say you have renewed the license, or took fresh license. So in this situation, on same screen, okay, under licensing, you will have to navigate to the apply license key. Okay, so simply click on here and enter the license key which you have received from the Sophos Sophos support team, or it could be from your distributor partner, and enter that license key here, accept the this particular agreement and click on apply. It's very simple guys and straightforward. And after the license has been applied, you will see new date here, and all your warnings will be gone. So that's how you will be able to activate license. Although right now I'm using the trial version, so I really don't have any license product, but yeah, this is the way you will be able to activate your license key. And same thing goes with the firewall. And right now we don't have any firewall listed here, so that's the reason I won't be able to show. Although process is almost same, but with slight changes. So right now we'll just focus on the endpoint security, and that's how we will be able to activate the license. And by any chance, if you don't know where to contact for the license renewal, you can simply click on here, contact partner to buy license. So this is very simple guys and straightforward. And make sure that your license is always active and you are compliant, so that all products which is your license will function properly. Now hopefully guys, how to activate or renew license, this particular concern is addressed in this series. If you found this video useful, then please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is Sohan, and I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.